when I was talking about YouTube for SEO, at that time I had said thumbnails also help to drive traffic. Now what are thumbnails? Thumbnails are the images that you can see, the first image of that video, okay, that will attract your audience. So thumbnail will help to attract your audience. These all are thumbnails. I'll scroll down, these all are thumbnails. So thumbnails help to attract your audience, and indeed it helps to drive some amount of traffic. Now, how can you create these thumbnails? Which website can you use for creating thumbnails? So I have got a website for you guys where you can create your thumbnails, where you can edit a photo, you can do everything guys, and it is just for free. Now let us understand which website is this. So let us go to ipic.com. okay, here is a website which you can use to create thumbnails, to edit your photos. You can do everything for creating a thumbnail on this website itself. Now what you need to do guys is you have to click on create a design, and when you click on create a design, you would be landed upon this page. Now let us understand how to create a thumbnail. Firstly, the most important thing that you need to remember is, for YouTube thumbnail, you have a fixed size. Now what is that size? It is 1280 by 720. If you don't remember this guys, if you forgot the size of thumbnails, then what you can do is just Google it out. If you Google size of YouTube thumbnails, you will get the size that is 1280 by 720. Now let us understand guys how to create these thumbnails. What am I going to do is click on open. I'm going to click on create image, and here I'm going to give the size, okay, that is 1280 by 720, and I'm going to click on create. Now this size is given to me, okay, this is 1280 by 720. Now I have to start editing on this page itself. For example, you are making some personal videos where you want to add your face, where you want to add some other's face, some person, anything. Then what can you do guys is, firstly click on layer, okay, this is the layer icon. Click on layer and a layer would be added. Then what you need to do is you have to add an image. For adding an image, you can add the image, the first icon here, okay, can you see the left side? The first icon here is add photo. Here you can add text, here you can add vector stickers, here you can add vector shape, okay, these all options are given to you guys. Now you can just add a photo by clicking on this upload image, and then you can upload an image. You can clear all, you can add text, you can add vector stickers, you can add vector shape, okay. What you can do guys is add an image, write something, okay, means everyone is not going to read the description, so write something interesting. For example, this space or this space here you're going to use for your images. Then what can you do is, on the left side or right top or bottom, you can write some text, you can put some exclamation marks, you can put some emojis, anything such that is going to attract the audience, okay. Then what you can do is you can add some text. Now while adding text, what can you do is again add a layer. Keep on adding a layer, it would be better guys. Then don't forget one thing, somewhere in this image, okay, somewhere in this thumbnail, try to add your icon, try to add your business icon. That would be more better for your audience to understand you, to make a relationship with you. So try to add those icons there, try to add your image, try to add some text, try to collaborate all this and create a very good thumbnail that is going to attract your audience. Even I had said in the starting of the video guys that you can even edit your photos. How can you edit your photos? Can you see the third option here, retouch? Click on retouch. You want to give a shine remover, a airbrush, you want to remove wrinkles. See the fourth option, you can remove wrinkles, then airbrush, sunny tan, blush, burn, red eye fix, eye color. You can do all these options. You can edit a photo very nicely, very greatly with the help of this option only, with this website only. Now this is a website according to me which is best for creating thumbnails, so you can just try over it guys and create a good thumbnail. See, you want to remove wrinkles, click on this, remove the wrinkles. Just click on this and you can just go where you want to remove the wrinkles. Then airbrush, shine, if you want to put some shine, if you want to remove some shine, there is too much light, then you can remove it. These are all the options, these are all the editing options given to you, so you can use it very wisely and create a very good thumbnail. After doing it, you have to just save this image. Okay, you have to save this image. Just click on save this image. Try to save it with .png extension, because .png extension is more clearer. Okay, the pixels are more good. So it is requested to you guys that you save, while saving you save it with .png extension, and then what you can do is you can use those thumbnails in your videos. Now it's time for you guys to try it out. It is very much easy. Thumbnails, you can use this website, you can edit everything, you can create a good thumbnail and use in your own videos.
Don't forget to subscribe and press bell icon for new updated videos. Like and share videos with your friends.